Dear students, in this class, we are going with one more question from the chapter Chemical Kinetics. There will be a question with question number 30. Describe an expression for rate constant of a zero order reaction or else first order reaction. Out of two derivation, there will be one compulsory question in examination for 2 months. So we will go with that. So it is a derivation, integrated rate equation. It is also called as integrated rate equation. So you have to derive the equation. So be careful with this what I am telling. I will divide two parts. We have to derive a expression, a equation for a zero order reaction, and that is an integrated rate equation. First of all, I will take a reaction R gives P. Let us take a reaction R gives P. R means reactant, P means product. It is a zero order reaction. Zero order reaction where R is reactant, P is product. According to this rate is equals to differential rate is equals to dr by dt, that is minus, that is change in concentration of reactant per time. The concentration of reactant decreases, so it is negative. So from rate equation, from rate expression or rate equation, rate of the reaction, rate is equals to K into concentration of R to the product to the power. Here it is zero order reaction, so power 0. This is also from this differential expression, rate equals to dr by dt, that is negative sign because rate of concentration of reactant decreases. Rate is also equals to K constant, where K is a rate constant. We can write here where K is a rate constant. Rate constant. So now, by combining these two equations, we can write that d concentration of R, that is minus, by dt is equals to K into R to the power 0. Concentration of R to the power 0. The concentration of anything to the power, any number to the power 0 is 1. So it will be cancelled. Just rearranging our equation, then we will get dr equals to minus negative sign minus K into dt. R to the power 0 is 1. Let us shift dt here. Let us consider this as an equation 1. So now to this equation we have to go with integration. Integrating above equation. Integrating above equation. Above equation. So integration of dr equals to minus K is constant. So integration of dt. So integration of dr is R. Integration of dr is R equals to minus is a minus only K. We cannot integrate constant number, so K itself. Integration of dt is t into t, plus we will get a constant number. This C is called as integration constant, where C is integration constant. So this is one expression. We don't want C. To remove C or to get the value of C, now let us take T equals to 0, R, concentration of R equals to R naught. We will write here if T equals to 0 initial time, R, concentration of reactant, is equals to initial concentration R naught. Here R naught is initial concentration. Initial initial concentration. So if T equals to 0, R equals to concentration of R equals to concentration of R naught. At initial time, the concentration will be initial concentration R naught. So putting this value in above equation, I will take this above equation as equation number 1. In this above equation, it can be R, concentration of R equals to minus K. R in the place of R naught minus K in the place of T, 0. So now minus K into 0 is 0 plus C is there. Plus C. In the place of R naught minus K, in the place of T, 0 plus C. So now we will get the value of C. C equals to, this will be 0, C equals to R naught. C equals to R naught. We have got the value of C. Substituting the value of C in equation 1. Substituting the value of C in equation 1. To get the value of C, we have done this. So this is our expression, our equation. Now substituting these values here, so then we will get R, concentration of R equals to minus K into T plus, in the place of C, R naught. In the place of C, R naught. Now just rearranging, minus KT, bring this side, left side, that will be plus KT equals to R naught. Concentration of R from left side, so shift this one to right side, that will be minus concentration of R. Now K is a rate constant, equals to R naught, concentration of R naught minus concentration of R reactant, T shifted here, that will be T. K equals to R naught minus R, concentration of R naught, initial concentration minus concentration of reactant at the time T. This is the integrated rate equation, a rate expression for 0 order. If you write all those things up to this, you may get 3 marks if the question will be for 0 order reaction. So note down this, practice is it. This will be helpful for you people. Now next, you can stop the video and you can note down this. So I will directly go to the same chapter, derive an expression of a rate constant of a first order reaction. So for first order reaction also almost same. Reactant gives product, R gives P. It is a reaction, first order reaction, where differential expression for this equation will be rate equals to minus D concentration of R by dt. Okay, it will be same as well. So now rate is also, there is a rate equation. Rate is equals to K into R to the power, this is first order reaction, so R to the power 1, where K is a rate constant. K means rate constant, you have to get the value of K in expression. Now, adding these two equations, minus dr by dt equals to K into R to the power 1. Now you cannot neglect this one. The value of R to the power 1 is same R, concentration of R. Now rearranging the above equation, you will get rearranging above equation, D concentration of R, shift this R here, similar terms one side, dr by R equals to K, shift this negative sign minus K, shift this dt here, that is dt. So dr by R equals to minus K into dt. Integrating this equation, integrating above equation. about equation. Integration of dr by r equals to minus k into integration of dt. Integration of constant and same. So now here integration of dr by r is ln r. Integration of dr by r is ln r. Now what is ln means? Ln, the value of ln is 2.303 log. Integration of dr by r is ln r equals to minus k. Integration of dt is t plus c, equation number 1. From this integration rate equation, we have got this ln r equals to minus k into t plus c, where c is integration constant. I will not write here, you can write integration constant. C is integration constant. So now here, to get the value of c, we don't want c. To get the value of c, if t equals to 0, concentration of r equals to r naught. If t equals to 0 at initial time equals to 0, the concentration of reactant is initial concentration, where r naught is initial concentration. R naught is initial concentration. So now substituting these values, substituting these in above equation, we will get ln r naught. In the place of r naught minus k into 0 plus c. Now minus k into 0 is 0. Now we will get c equals to ln r naught. C equals to ln r naught. Now I will not write here, I don't have that much of space. So c equals to ln r naught. Substituting the value of c in the above equation 1. Substituting the value of c in the equation 1, we will get ln r equals to minus k t plus, in the place of c, ln r naught. Now bring similar terms, one side minus kt comes left side, that will be plus kt equals to ln r naught. This comes left side minus ln r, kt equals to. So ln r naught minus ln r, it is also same like log a minus log b is equals to log a by b. Like that same ln r naught minus ln r is equals to ln r naught by r. Okay, so finally k equals to, ln means already told 3.303 log. Ln means 3.303 log r naught divided by r. R naught by r. So this t comes left side, 2.303 by t. So now this is the integrated rate equation for first order reaction. K equals to 2.303 by t log r naught by r. Concentration, initial concentration by the concentration of reactant at time t. If you write up to this, you may get 3 marks. This is the integrated rate expression for first order reaction. You can note down this, practice with this, add these things. Definitely you will get 3 marks if the question is for first order reaction. So I hope you will go with this and write in the examination.